Does your code look like this? So there's too many the same thing that basically does the same thing. Or this is the same code and it just basically does the same thing to make it pop sound. So how can we fix this? So delete all your extra sprites except one. Then you should hide it. Well, I know you're wondering, aren't we meant to be showing it? Well, that's where we're going to go in a second. Then go in when I start as a clone and pop it on your code. Don't forget to add a show block after it. Then finally, you're ready. But you don't just want one, you want more. Let's imagine you want 5. So that means you'll need to make a clone. But obviously, they won't go randomly and just stay in the same position, as you can see. So, to fix that, sorry for the mouse glitching, it's because of low storage. Well, we can use a go random block to make it go random. So, let's see, just an action. Oops. But a bit beggy today. Yeah, the eggs are random. And they still work as normal. Just in mind that Scratch has a limit of 300 clones. So if you want a bit more than then you can use Turbo Whip instead. So that's all for today, guys. Continue structuring on your projects and don't forget to use clones instead of making up so sprites. Bye bye.